Assalamualaikum. Good morning, kids. How are you today? I hope you are fine and keep enjoying on learning English with teacher Juliza. What we will learn today? Today, we will learn about phonic focus, and you can refer the textbook page 87. Our objective today, at the end of the lesson, pupils able to say the words correctly and group the words. Di akhir pelajaran, murid-murid seharusnya boleh menyebut perkataan dengan betul dan mengelaskan perkataan. Let's see the success criteria. Pupils able to say the words with correct pronunciation. Are you ready, kids? Let's start now.
Listen and say.
1,
Stop.
2,
Spider.
3,
Steak.
4,
Sweater.
5,
Skirt.
6,
Stairs.
7,
School.
8,
Snake.
9. Skeleton. 10. Spoon. 11. Snail. 12. Star. 13. Skip. 14. Swim. 'Now, let's group the words. You can pause the video and write down the exercise in your exercise book. Do you have the answer? Good job! Let's check the answer. That's all for today. Enjoy your work. Good luck. Bye.